the MechMaxx mill is up and running. We added this platform to the rear, cantilevered this section out. That was mainly to service the head. This way I can climb up the stairs, put the cover on, put fuel in, change the oil. Yeah, it's a bit of an oversight on my part. I built the mill long down here for another extension. I wasn't thinking about where the mill was sitting. So after a few days of climbing off the frame and putting gas in or adding water, I decided to do something. So we built this cantilever. So she's about centered there. That's the end of the beam. So we cantilevered it off, put some stairs in, and she's pretty stout. It's all 2-inch oak. A little bit of an overkill, but it worked fine. Tomorrow we will cut up this new red oak. We need some more board and battens for the side of the garage. So this is actually from a tree that my neighbor and I cut down this morning. You can see it way up there. Yeah, she was threatening the camper, so we had to drop her. So I cut off a 9-foot section, popped her up on the mill, and tomorrow morning we will be making some more board and battens for our garage. LifeInTN, thanks for watching.